Hello my dear student, today is our fourth lecture and in this lecture we are going to start with question number 9. Okay, most important question आहे जेव्हा 100% एक क्वेश्चन तुमच्या एक्झाम मध्ये 11th ला येतो. So the question is what, find the other trigonometric functions if cos theta is minus 3 by 5 and theta is less than 270 degree but greater than 180 degree. Okay, कसं केलं तर suppose this theta is less than 270 degree. Okay, when we are reading from left to right, then theta is less than 270 degree. But if we are reading from opposite side, that is from right to left, so this sign get inverted. याला आपण काय तो चेंज केला जातो. So theta is greater than 180 degree. समजलं कसं रीड करायचं? theta is greater than 180 degree and theta is less than 270. आपण जर उलट रीड केलं, okay, if we read opposite, so this sign get changes, that is invert होतो, उलट होतो. So this theta is less than असेल तर कोण greater than. If we have theta greater than, then it become less than. कळलं? एक उलट रीड करताना हे सिम्बॉल करायचं, चेंज करायचं, इथे चेंज करायचं फक्त मनात ठेवा. So theta is less than the symbol दिसते, but that रीड करताना काय करणार? Theta is greater than 180. Okay, so what, suppose if we consider our this rectangular coordinate system, so we know that here we have 0, 90, then 180, then 270, and then again 360. Okay, so what, theta is greater than 180, 180 पेक्षा जास्त आहे म्हणजे 180, 181 हे खाली येणार, but less than 270, 270 पेक्षा कमी आहे, बरोबर. So that theta is lying in which quadrant? That is in third quadrant. So we starting with that given theta is greater than 180 degree but less than 270 degree. Therefore theta is lies in third quadrant. कुठल्या quadrant मध्ये असणार आहे? Third quadrant मध्ये. And we know that in third quadrant all sign take correct. Okay, so in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. याच्यामध्ये होतं sin and its inverse, that is cosec are positive, take means tan and its inverse cot are positive, and cos and sec are positive. Okay, so third quadrant मध्ये काय असणार आहे? tan आणि cot positive, tan and cot are positive. Now we have to find the other, that is except the cos. Already we have cos theta, so we have to find sin, tan, cosec, cot and sec theta. Okay, so here we are starting with cos theta, which is equal to minus 3 by 5. Okay, so from this equation we can write sec theta, that sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon minus 3 upon 5. So sec theta is how much? It is minus 5 upon 3. Okay, so suppose this is our first trigonometric function. Suppose this is our second trigonometric function. Don't break first and second. Now we have to find sec and cosec, tan, cot. So there are different methods. So first, by using identity. Okay, we have three identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta which is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta which is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, 9 and 10 standard question आपल्या identity matters. So by using that identity we can find that value of sin theta. So we have, okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We have to find sin square theta, and because already cos theta is given, so sin square theta which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square ला इकडे घेऊन गेलो, बरोबर आहे. So put the value here, 1 minus cos square theta, so minus 3 upon 5 and its square. So here we get 1 minus, okay, the square of minus 3 is 9 upon 25. Take cross multiplication, so 25 on the 25 minus 9, so we get 16 upon 21. This is the value of sine square theta. Okay, and therefore sine theta, if we take the square, so we get two values, plus or minus 4 upon 5. Okay, आता क्या करायचं आहे? Which value we have to take? That is sine theta is equal to plus 4 by 5 or sine theta is minus 4 by 5. The कुठले पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायची का निगेटिव्ह घ्यायची? मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट आहे. Okay, we have to choose this value which is lies in third quadrant. Okay, so the theta is lies in third quadrant. So there are two values of sin theta, plus 4 upon 5 or minus 4 upon 5. आपल्याकडे दोन व्हॅल्यूज आले, एक प्लस 4 upon 5, दुसरी काय असणार मायनस 4 upon 5. आता घ्यायची कुठली क्वेश्चन. But for that the condition is given here. Theta is lies in third quadrant. Third मध्ये sin काय? In third quadrant sin theta is negative. Understood? In third quadrant sin theta is negative, but theta is lies in third quadrant. Okay, therefore sin theta का असणार आहे negative, so we have to take the negative values. Understood? This is our sin theta. ठीक आहे, numbers देत नाही. This is our cos theta, sec theta. So मला most important part आहे plus आणि minus कधी घ्यायचे, when we have to take positive value or when we have to take negative value. For that consider the given angle. That angle or theta is lies in which quadrant? We have to find the value of sin theta. Only okay. When we are using the identity, then we have to use this condition. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला कंडिशन कधी यूज करायचं, प्लस आणि मायनस किंवा क्वाड्रंटचा यूज कधी करायचा आहे, when we are using okay this identity or this, when we are using that identity, then we have to use these conditions. That is, we have to use the theta where the theta is lies in which quadrant. So ज्यावेळेस theta ते कुठल्यातरी क्वाड्रंट मध्ये असेल, and when we are using the identity, then we have to use just this plus or minus sign. बघा इथे आपण यूज केलंय का साइन जे आले आन्सर ते ऍज इट इज लिहिलंय. इथे आपण काही यूज नाही केलं की थीटा कुठल्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे ते बघत नाही. कधी बघायचं आहे, when we are using the identity, then we have to take okay that plus or minus. Now next one. Okay, काय भेटलं, cos भेटलं, sec भेटलं, sin भेटलं. So sin upon cos we get tan. So tan theta, therefore tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, here पण method किंवा by using other identity 1 plus tan square theta, again we get same equation. So tan theta is equal to sin theta is minus 4 upon 5 divided by cos theta minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so this 5 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, minus get cancelled, and therefore we get tan theta which is equal to 4 upon 3. This is the first, second, third, and fourth. By using sin theta, okay, we get cosec theta. Then cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Okay, पहले अपन cot theta करो. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So we get 1 upon 4 upon 3. So we get 3 upon 4. This is our cot theta. Okay. And last one, that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is how much? 1 upon sin theta. So 1 upon minus 4 upon 5. So we get that cosec theta is equal to 5 shifted and minus negative sign also shifted to numerator. So minus 4 upon 5. Understood? These are our 6, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So finally, therefore, the trigonometric functions are first sin theta, then cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is how much? It is minus 4 upon 5. Cos theta is already given, minus 3 upon 5. And then tan theta is 4 upon 3. Then आपल्याकडे होतं cosec theta. Cosec theta is minus 5 upon 4. Cos means sec theta. Sec theta is how much? Sec theta is minus 5 upon 3. And last month with cot theta which is equal to cot theta is 3 upon 4. This is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, समझला? This is the method. The tan theta से अपन दूसरी method use कर सकते हो. 1 plus tan square is equal to 6 square theta. So by using that identity, we get tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta minus 1. So put the value of 6 square theta and subtract 1. So we get tan square theta. And पुन्हा identity use कर लगे. Okay, दोनों identity use करायची गरज लागत नाही. समझला? This is your answer. Next one. If say A, second one, if say A, that theta is replaced by A, okay, no problem. Say A, which is equal to minus 25 upon 7, minus 25 upon 7, and A is lies in second quadrant, lies in second quadrant. Then find the other trigonometric function. Okay, here already given A is lies in second quadrant. Means suppose if we draw that rectangle means that A is lies here. So in second quadrant, in second quadrant, sine and cosec. Okay, the A element A घेतो. That sine A and cosec A are positive, and the other trigonometric functions are negative. Okay, so already they are given. So we starting with this. Sec A, which is equal to minus 25 by 7. So second term, therefore cos A equal to 1 upon sec A. Okay, that theta is replaced by A. बाकी का problem मध्ये नसणार आहे. So 1 upon minus 25 upon 7. So 7 आणि minus वर जाणार. So minus 7 upon 25. Okay, भेटलं बघा, sin भेटलं, sec भेटलं, cosec भेटलं. Understood? Identity. There are two identity. By using the identity of sec and tan, we get tan square. By using the identity between that sin and cos, we get sin here. अच्छा, कुठल्याही मेथड ने करा आन्सर तेच येणार आहे. ओके, आपण एकच आयडेंटिटी यूज करायची आहे. So we using the simple identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A, which is equal to 1. Already cos square is given, means we get sin square. So we get sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे आपल्याकडे 7 upon 25. So minus 7 upon 25 means square. So 1 minus, what is the square of 7? It is 49, and the square of 25 is 625. Okay, take cross multiplication. So 625 minus 49 divided by 625, which is equal to, okay, 625 minus 49, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9, so we get 6. Okay, 15 minus 9, 6, carry 1. So 12 minus 5, 7, carry 1, 5, 76. 576. कशाचं स्क्वेअर रूट आहे? इट इज द स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 24. So 576 upon 625. This is our sine square of A. Okay, sine square of A, and therefore sine A equal to plus minus. If we take the square root, so 576 is the square root of 24. And the square root of the 625 is already we have find it here. So 25. Now we have two values of sine, plus or minus. Now we have to take only one, either positive or negative. आपल्याकडे दोन व्हॅल्यू दिले साइनच्या, प्लस साइन sin A is equal to plus 24 upon 25 or sin A is equal to minus 24 upon. आता आपण घ्यायची कोणती, आपल्याकडे क्वेश्चन मार्क्स असतात. ओके, सो here the condition is given here. The A is lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant sin is positive. Second quadrant मध्ये sin काय positive. मागच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय होतं, थर्ड क्वाड्रंट sin काय होतं आपलं निगेटिव्ह होतं. ओके, so we can take the positive value. So we get sin A is equal to plus 24 upon 25. समझला? अंडरस्टूड? समझते? cos A, इथे कंडिशन अप्लाई नाही केलं. sec A directly we get cos A, direct answer. But when we are using the identity, then we get two values of that we get trigonometric function, either sin, tan, cos, tan. Then we have to take one value. Then use this condition. Check the theta, A, X, Y, जे काय असेल ते lies in which quadrant? In second quadrant, that A is positive, sin A is positive. Okay, so here we take the positive value. So by using the reciprocal, we get cosec A. Cosec A is how much? It is 1 upon sin A. So equal to 1 upon sin A means what? It is 1 upon 24 upon 25, which is equal to 25 by 24. Cosec बदला. So sin upon cos. Next one. That tan A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A. So what is sin A? Sin A is over 24 upon 25 divided by what is cos A? Cos A is 7 upon 25. So this 25 get cancelled. Minus is shifted to the numerator. So minus 24 upon 7. This is our tan A. Okay. So tan A better because we have 1, 2, then sin 3, cosec 4, tan 5. So we get cot A. Okay. Therefore, cot A, which is equal to 1 upon tan A, which is equal to 1 upon tan A means what? Minus 24 upon 7. So we get minus 7 upon 24. This is your. Therefore, we can write. Therefore, the trigonometric functions are trigonometric functions are. First one is number 1 sin A. Second one is cos A. Third one is tan A. Okay. Fourth one, then cosec A. Then fifth one sec A, and sixth one tensor cot A. जर sequence कुठली असेल तरी काय प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही फक्त as it is sin A is how much? It is 24 upon 25 cos A means what? It is minus 7 upon 25 tan A. Tan means how much? It is minus 24 upon 7 cosec A. Cosec A means 25 upon 24 sec A. Sec means what? Already sec will be 1, so it is minus 25 upon 7, and cot A. Cot A is how much? It is minus 7 upon 24. This is the trigonometric function of sin, cos, tan when that A is lies in second quadrant. Next one, if cot x is equal to 3 by 4 and x is lies in third quadrant, then find the other trigonometric functions. Okay, so here x is given in third quadrant. So in third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Okay, आपल्याला माहित आहे third quadrant मध्ये कसं tan आणि cot positive असणार. So we starting with this given that cot x, which is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so we get cot means what? The reciprocal of tan, or the tan means what? It is the reciprocal of cot x. So here we get 1 upon 3 upon 4. Therefore we get that tan x is equal to 4 upon 3. Understood? First and the second. Now we have to find sec tan. Okay, so we can use identity of cot or identity with tan. So we using the identity of that tan. Okay, so 1 plus tan square x, which is equal to sec square x. Understood? So put the value here. That 1 plus tan square means 4 upon 3 bracket square, which is equal to sec square x. जरी तुम्ही इथे cot square चा 1 plus cot square x, which is equal to cosec square x. Okay, तरी पण चालेल. इथे cosec square भेटेल, cosec वरना भेटेल sin भेटेल, sin वरना काढू शकतो cos. So sec square x. Therefore sec square of x, which is equal to 1 plus the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 3 is 9. So taking cross multiplication, we get directly 9 plus 16 upon 9 So we get 25 upon 9. Here we have sec square of x. Understood? Therefore, sec x which is equal to plus or minus 5 upon 3. Now we have two values of sec x. That is plus 5 by 3 and second one is minus 5 by 3. चला? And we know that when we are using the identity, then we have to take only one value. आपल्याला एकच घ्यायचे पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह मग घ्यायचं बोलू. Okay, so we use this condition in third quadrant. In third quadrant, which quantities are positive, which trigonometric functions 10 and its reciprocal part are positive. But we have to take the value of sec. So in third quadrant, sec is what? Sec is negative. So we have to take sec theta or sec a. Therefore, sec a is equal to minus 5 upon this. Sec h value असणार आहे minus 5 upon this. समजलं का घेतलं आपण? Minus 5 we take the negative sign because this we have two values plus and minus. But in third quadrant sec is negative. So we take the value of that sec a is negative. So we get minus 5 by 3. Okay. Now from this sec we can find cos theta. So we get cos a. Cos a is 1 upon sec a. Cos h value was right 1 upon sec a. So cos a which is equal to 1 upon sec a, it is minus 5 upon 3. So we get cos a equal to this 3 shifted and minus is shifted. So we get minus. So the cos beta. Now we have to find sin and cosec. There is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to find sec and cosec. Okay, there are two methods. We can use identity of part or identity of sin and cos. म्हणजे आपण जर आपण असे यूज केलं 1 plus cot square x which is equal to cosec square x. So from this equation we get cosec, and if we take reciprocal of cosec, so we get sin. Or if we use that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, again from this equation we can find sin. But there is another method. Okay, we have the formula for tan. Tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. We have already cos x as well as tan x. If we take cross multiplication, okay, so we get simply sin x. कुठलीही मेथड यूज करा, आन्सर तेच येणार आहे. ओके, सो तुम्ही हा यूज करतोय. We have that tan x which is equal to sin x upon cos x. So we get sin x equal to tan x into cos x. तर तुम्ही या मेथडने सॉल्व केलं तरी आन्सर तेच येणार. इथे कोसेक भेटेल आणि देन साइन भेटेल. इथे तुम्हाला फर्स्ट साइन भेटेल आणि देन कोसेक भेटेल. इथे तुम्हाला पहिले साइन भेटेल देन कोसेक. ओके, सो पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ tan x. Where is the tan x? It is 4 upon 3. Where is the cos x? It is minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so this 3 get cancelled with 3. So we have minus 4 upon 5. Sin x भेटला. Sin x is how much? It is minus 4 upon 5. And therefore we get cosec x. तुम्ही कुठल्याही मेथडने यूज करा तुम्हाला जे. But when if you are using identities, so you get two values of that x, either plus or minus. Okay, so then use the condition to get the proper answer or to get the proper sign. चला, जर तुम्ही आयडेंटिटी यूज करत असाल तर काय तुम्हाला you will get two values, that is plus or minus. Then use identity condition. लक्षात तरच सॉल्व करा, अदरवाइज तुम्ही हे सिंपल मेथडनी सॉल्व करा. So sin भेटला. Therefore cosec x is 1 upon sin x which is equal to 1 upon minus 4 upon 5. So we get cosec x is minus 5 upon. So this is your cosec x. And therefore we can write here, therefore the trigonometric functions are number 1 sin x. Sin x is equal to the 1 minus 4 upon 5. Second one cos x. Cos x is minus 3 upon 5. Third one tan x, tan x we find out केलं तर पण it is 4/3, then fourth one sin cos tan, then sec cosec, cosec is minus 5/4, fifth one cos the reciprocal sec x which is equal to minus 5 x sec x is equal to minus 5/3 and 6 1 that cot x. Cot x is 3/4. Okay, cot x 3/4. This is your all trigonometric functions of x. Next one, if sec theta is equal to minus 3 and theta is lies between pi and 3 pi by 2, means what, theta is less than 3 pi by 2 but theta is greater than pi. Okay, means what, suppose this is our two dimensional coordinate system, so here we have 0, then 90 means what, it is pi by 2, then 180 means what, pi, then 270 means 3 pi by 2, and again 360 means again 2 pi. So our theta is less than 3 pi by 2. Less than 3 pi by 2 means here 3 pi by 2 means 270 पेक्षा कमी आहे, but greater than, theta is symbol less आहे, but read करते वक्त if we interchange the direction of reading, so this symbol get inverted, so theta greater than pi. pi पेक्षा मोठा आहे means कसं आहे 180 नंतर हा खाली ना 180, then 190, 200, 210, so theta is lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Okay, so we can write here that theta is less than pi, sorry, greater than pi, but less than 3 pi by 2. Therefore, theta is lies in which quadrant? Theta is lies in third quadrant. Theta is lies in third quadrant. Understood? Now, what is given? Sec theta, which is equal to minus 3. So cos theta is what? Cos theta is equal to 1/sec theta, which is equal to minus 1/3. Actually 1/3 equal to minus 1, sorry, which is equal to minus 1/3. भेटलं sec भेटलं, cosec भेटलं. Now we can use identity. There are two identities. We can use that 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square, so we get tan theta. इधर पर tan भेटेल, but we can use simple sin upon cos, so we get sin theta. So by using identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta already आपल्याकडे आहे. So sin square theta which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos square, cos means what, 1/3 minus 1/3 square. So 1 minus 1/3. So taking cross multiplication, so we get 3 minus 1/3 equal, which is equal to 2/3. This is our sin square theta. Okay, so after taking square root, so we get sin theta is equal to plus or minus 2/√3. चला 2/√3. Therefore 2/√3. Now we have to take either positive or negative value. मतलब कि ऐसे कुछ लगे, because here by using identity we get two values of the sin theta, so plus minus 2/√3. So use the condition. So by using the condition, theta is lies in third quadrant. Theta कुठल्या quadrant मध्ये? Third quadrant मध्ये. So in third quadrant sin is what? Sin is negative because sin is positive in first and second. So we can write, but theta is lies in third quadrant. Therefore sin theta in third quadrant, sin theta is negative. So we get 2/. Understood? Sin theta is what? 2/√3. एक मिनट, ऐसे मिस्टेक है, square ना, okay. The square of 3 is 9, so 9 minus 1, so here we get 8/3. 8/3. So here we get root 8 upon 3. So root 8 means plus minus 2 root 2 upon 3. So sin theta is 2 root 2 upon 3. Okay, square of 3 is 9. Upon 3 is the so taking cross multiplication 9 minus 1 upon 3, so we get 8 upon 3. Taking root, so we get two values plus minus. Okay, plus minus 8 upon 3 ठेवलं तरी चालेल, but book मध्ये मला plus minus 2 root 3 काढले. Okay, 2 root 2 काढले. 8 ची व्हॅल्यू कसं 2 root 2 because that 8 root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So the root of 4 is how much? It is 2. So the remaining inside the root is 2. So we get 2 root 2. जरी 8 upon root 3 ठेवलं तरी no problem. अरे हे कसं book to book आहे म्हणून ते ही काढून दिलेलं आहे. So we get negative values. लक्षात negative का आला? By using this condition, theta is lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, sin is negative. So we get the value of sin theta is 2 root 2 upon 3. Sin मिळाला. So by using sin, we get cosec. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So 1 upon minus 2 root 2 upon 3. So we get that cosec theta is equal to this 3 is shifted to the numerator as well as minus n shifted, so minus 3 upon 2 root 2. Okay, this is what cosec theta. Sin आहे cos आहे म्हणजे आपण tan काढू शकतो. So tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So what sin theta is how much? It is minus 2 root 2 upon 3 divided by cos theta. Cos theta is where? Here. We have minus 1 upon 3, so this 3 get cancelled as well as minus n get cancelled. So we have that tan theta which is equal to 2 root 2. बरोबर फक्त tan ची व्हॅल्यू किती असणार 2 root 2. भेटला. If we have tan theta, so by using the reciprocal we get cot theta. So cot theta is what? Therefore cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So 1 upon tan theta is how much? It is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So this is our trigonometric function. So first one sec, then cos. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Therefore the trigonometric functions are कुठले कुठले फंक्शन आपल्याला मिळाले. first sin theta is how much? It is minus 2 root 2 upon 3. Second one sin 1 के अंदर cos देतो. Okay, sequence doesn't matter. sin cos tan cot के अंदर problem नाही, but एक आपण systematic लिहिण्यासाठी sin cos tan then cosec sec and cot म्हणजे sequence जरी उलट झालं काय एक्झाम मध्ये मार्क्स कट होणार नाही, but एक पेपर प्रेझेंटेशन साठी आपण करणार एक सिक्वेन्स ठेवले sin cos tan. So cos is how much? It is minus 1 upon 3. Third one tan theta is how much? It is 2 root 2. Then fourth one, that's a reciprocal, so we get cosec theta. Cosec theta is how much? It is minus 3 upon 2 root 2. Fifth one, reciprocal of cos, it is sec theta. So sec theta is already given minus 3. And sixth one, that is cot theta. Cot theta is how much? Sin cos tan cot theta is 1 upon 2 root 2. This is your answer. Understood? Solve. Next one. If sec x is equal to 13 upon 5 and x is lies in fourth quadrant, then find other trigonometric function. Okay, x is lies in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. Okay, so already x is given in fourth quadrant, so we start with given, that is sec x, which is equal to 13 upon 5. So from this equation we get cos x is equal to 1 upon sec x, which is equal to 1 upon 13 upon 5. So we get cos x equal to 5 upon 13. Okay, cos भेटला. By using identity आपण दोन यूज करू शकतो, either 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square, or by using identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So मी ती यूज करते. कुठल्या मेथडने काढा तरी आन्सर तेच येणार. But that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So we have to find sin square. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus, what is cos? It is 5 upon 13, its square. So we get 1 minus 25, the square of 13 is 169. Okay, so taking cross multiplication, 169 minus 25 upon 169. So the subtraction is 144 upon 169. This is our sin square x. Understood? And therefore, sin x is plus minus the square root of 144 is 12 and the square root of that 169 is 13. Now we have two values of sin x because we are using identity. Okay, आपल्याला दोन व्हॅल्यूज भेटल्यात. Now we have to choose one value from the two values, that is positive or negative. So to choose that value, to take the value, we use the condition. Okay, so the fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, sin is positive or negative. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative. All sign take correct. Okay, so in fourth quadrant, correct means cos. Cos and reciprocal is positive. Reciprocal sign is positive. So in fourth quadrant, sorry, but theta is lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, so we get that sin x is negative. So we get 12 upon 30. Sin x is so sin is positive. So the ratio of a reciprocal. Therefore, cosec x is 1 upon sin x. So equal to 1 upon minus 12 upon 13. So we get cosec x is minus 13 upon 12. Understood? Better cosec x. Now sin upon cos. So we get 10 sin x upon cos x. Tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x, which is equal to sin x. Sin x ची व्हॅल्यू किती आपल्याकडे minus 12 upon 13 आणि cos ची व्हॅल्यू किती आपल्याकडे it is 5 upon 13. So this 13 get cancelled and therefore we get tan x is equal to minus 12 upon 5. Understood? Means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take the reciprocal of tan, so we get cot. So cot x is equal to 1 upon tan x. So 1 upon minus 12 upon 5. So we get cot x is equal to minus 5 upon 12. This is your about cot x. Understood? So now, therefore, the trigonometric functions are rearranged. The first one is sin x, second one is cos x, third one is tan x, fourth one is sin cos. नंतर कसं आहे suppose cosec x, then fifth one sec x, and then sixth one cot x. Okay, sequence काही असू द्या, no problem. So sin x किती आपल्याकडे minus 12 upon 13, cos x it is 5 upon 13, tan x is minus 12 upon 5, then cosec x is minus 13 upon 12, sec x already given, it is 13 upon 5, and cot x it is minus 5 upon. Understood? So okay, these are two homework for you. That is, if tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12 and x is lies in fourth quadrant, then find other trigonometric functions. Second one, if sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 and theta is less than 270 but greater than 180 degree, then again find other trigonometric functions. Okay.